What's up, good people? Say, man, I want to address this common question that I get often in the form of suspicion, but it's basically, are parole attorneys a scam? Are they preying on inmates, and does it actually help? Well, look, I can't speak for no other attorney or their business practices, but I can speak from the vine and tree that I come from, and the answer to those in that order is no, it's not a scam. No, I'm not preying on inmates, and yes, I can actually help. Coincidentally, the people who asked me that question, I'm representing their son. They hired my mother before she passed away, and I picked this case up for free, as I've done with all my other cases that my mom had, because she had an agreement where she represented people basically until they got out of prison, no matter how many times it took. And she did that, real gangster. So, I mean, I don't represent people more than 3 times for the base fee, but I will stay on their case 3 times. Now, back to this guy's case and speaking with his family, they posed those questions and they weren't being disrespectful. But as I explained to them, I had spent probably a modest 12 hours breaking down his 5-day trial transcript on a murder case that was every bit of about 1,500 pages. And I found what I was looking for. It's crazy because I heard in law school, real lawyers read. And since I've been in practice, like, aside from the procedural, this really ain't that hard if you're diligent enough to take the time to read. So is hiring a parole attorney a scam? Short answer, it depends on which parole attorney you hire. I'm not here to badmouth any specific attorney, but man, just as a young second-year practicing attorney, I feel like I take my job so serious at this level on the parole end of it, because I hear so many horror stories about trial attorneys taking money, running off, sleep in court, unprepared, not cross-examining, not investigating, that I can't go like that. And again, the vine that I come from is not rooted in that type of bullshit. Now, does it actually help? I've low-key addressed this, but shit, yeah, help. Again, are you going to go in there with nobody to speak for you? Or are you going to go in there with somebody who actually knows your case, has visited with you, spoken with you, worked with your family closely to get your plans together, and can speak to who you are and the facts of your case, the good, the bad, and the ugly? And also could speak to who you are now, having been incarcerated, been punished, and why you're ready to come home, and how and why that's a safe decision for the parole board and the state. And do I prey on families? Hell nah. But babies gotta eat and bills gotta get paid. I could be doing a million other things, but I chose to be here. The Law Group of THP.